So this is another testing and documenting video for header files. We have 4 header files up here. I added 2 new ones. Was it 2 since the last one, or was it 1 new? I added a new one. I added more. Header files are really, really good, as I found out from adding them. I wasn't gonna add them at all to the game because I thought they were too hard. Like I thought they were gonna take like a lot of effort and a lot of understanding. Not like, you know, they're something incredibly easy, but like I mentioned in the last video, I went on the Moodle, a little bit of resources, mainly my YouTube video on there, but it's really good. It's really helpful at just breaking it down and understanding it, as well as some resources online and people just talking about them. And I just started off by adding in the main class for like the class selection for the player as a header file. It was just really simple, just adding this in, and it works. Well, obviously I'll show you that it works in a minute. And then I added the class upgrade, and this worked. This was great to add. And I was going to add the other class upgrades. Actually, I probably can now. I'll explain why I didn't. Well, right now actually, where are they? So they're up here. I was having some issues with them, like saying like things aren't defined or they're already defined. They need to be redefined. As well as like issues with like cout and like strings or whatever, and it was kind of confusing me. I was like, oh, you know what, I'm gonna forget about it, I'm gonna work on something else. So I kind of forgot about it for a bit, and then I came back to it. I was like, wait, no, I can do this. Actually, never mind, I'm not gonna do that. I'm gonna add the main battle function into the header file, and this is really efficient because there's a lot of code here. So to be able to add this into a header file was huge for me. And obviously I managed to work on the definitions and the string and getting cout to work. It took a bit of time, I'm not gonna lie. Like, it took me a good chunk of my time. I say a good chunk, it didn't take like a whole day, but I was sat here for at least maybe like 40 minutes, just adding it in, and then I was getting a bunch of issues with like the definitions of the integers. And I was like, what do I do? Like how do I define them or redefine them? And like, do I take them out of the main? Or do I add them in the main and put them here, or do I rename them here and keep them in the main? I realized I had to just take them out of the main, keep them in here. I needed to define the freezer battle in here, and it worked. It worked. It works. I'll show you now. I also made a second battle function, which is new. It's literally just the first one, but it's just Cell from Dragon Ball, because I wanted to have a second fight to show that the array and the classes are working. So if I do this. I also changed the start of the game just to ask if you're a Dragon Ball fan, instead of like asking what class you are, because you choose the class later, and it works if you had yes. Ask your power level, that's not it. Ask for a special attack, yes, I want one. Let's be a Saiyan. Let's upgrade my attack power, plus 10 attack power. Let's fight, punch, kick. Wow, he's died really quickly. Upgrade my health. What else? Another special attack, yes. I got a Gallic gun. Do I want to fight him? Yes, of course I do. Let's fight, kick. Oh, I didn't mean to press that. Pops up with Kamehameha. Oh, there we go. So yeah, the game works. The array works. It displays the whatever class you're working on. Actually, I quickly want to change it in here though. If I change this to inventory 1, just a little bit of testing notice. It says I get a Kamehameha at the end. I want to see if it displays the Gallic gun, which should be the second one. So if I just quickly speed through, I didn't mean to do that, but I got to restart it now because you're meant to have 2 attacks. If I quickly speed run my own game, yes, 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 yep, yep. Okay, awesome. Yeah, so it works. Okay, cool. Everything's working, as you can see there. We'll do one more test. We'll do like an overall test. Let's do no. We'll just do the opposite of everything. No. Yep. So this is meant to happen. You keep entering no. You know. Are you sure you're playing this game? Like, you know, Dragon Ball fan, you press yeah, I am on. Oh, okay, you can play the game. Do I want to attack? No. Suit yourself. Choose a class. Let's go with Namekian. I haven't chose that yet. I need to set that up then. That's good that I've tested this. And I still need to quickly set up a damage function for the special attack. But header files work. I'm very happy that these work because, well, it just makes the code a hell of a lot more efficient. Still a lot of code here, but it'd be really longer if I didn't have these two in particular. Obviously, there's not much code here, but these two, well, they obviously setting up this as a header was literally just the same as doing this, except I just had to add some new definitions in here and change some functions down here, but it was very simple, very short. But yeah, that all works.